Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Powerroll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Menteri Rambak Jongga Jila Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, ulong mapalat sanpo naga shispa Nongïalam jaga Seng Kongres ha Assam. Kidai babam dok Masi, badai naga takadaw bagi yakun dok yap yakaan bakang ban penyap Masi. Himanta ulong bagi Nongïalam ke Seng Kongres kibam dok Masi man kasngi. Ujar kerteng tu ikat tu kat ningut Nongïalam Kongres ha Assam, dah babuak jingkeli, dah kaboong, bukwa bantip naki, Uraki Bol Hussein hatu ubam dok Masi ni em, nangta yu Abdur Rashid Mandal, Ureki Budini Ahmed, ni Ujakir Hussein Sikdar. Ula kena bagi ni barok kibam dok Masi lud. Shuaya kani, Himanta ulong bakumba syajar sanspat lagi Masi la penyap hagapor long id hadhubri district Jongga Assam, baru ulong bagi gajingle kalong kwas ngupang medba.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.